Hello, Hunter Miller here, and this is my CSC 120 Lab 8. And if I run my MU frame, and this is my Lab 8 I took from my Lab 6 roundhead classes, and I declared 19 roundhead objects on the screen. They're all down a line from happy, sad, happy, sad. The first 12 are size 20, and the rest are size 30. The first and last roundhead both have green hats while the rest all have red. I can change the mood from clicking this button. And the roundheads also bounce off the sides and move. Also in this lab, I declared 100 stars in the background with a black sky. So let's go over my Lab 8. Two enhancements that I'm going to choose to go over is my for loop and my if and else statements, which is this piece of code right here. To start off, I had to declare my private roundhead with these brackets, RH array. I had to instantiate my roundhead array equals new roundhead 19. And 19 in these brackets are very important because the 19 is what makes the 19 roundheads declare on the screen. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, there's 19 here. Such as in the stars, I wanted 100 stars in the background, and there's 100 right here. Okay, so my for loop. For integer, index equals 0, meaning the starting point. Index is smaller than array dot length, and index plus plus meaning every time it goes up by 1. So I have a Boolean and integers here. My Boolean is happy and it's set to be true. My hat color is set to be red. My integer over is 30 times index. Down is 20 times index. Vertical step size is 15. Horizontal step size is 10. And size is 25. So here is what draws and makes the roundhead. And array index is the array equals new roundhead is happy, hat color, over, down, vertical step, horizontal step, size, and then the name. And except for adding 19 total of this code, the array makes it easier, so you only have to add 1. And inside are all of the Boolean and integers listed above. So here's my if statement. My if statement is one giant if and else statement with 2 if and else statements inside of it. So if you don't do this, one of the if statements will overlap and it won't allow the project to be complete and drawn correctly. So if index is smaller than 12, so meaning pretty much if 0 is smaller than 12, the first if is going to be based on the first 12 roundhead objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the first if index divided by 2 equals 0, this is meaning that it is even. And this is why we get happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad all down the line for the roundheads. So if array index equals, on this if is even, the roundhead will be the same as the array, except the size is the only thing that changes, size 20. So the thing will be true, which makes the is happy happy, hat color red, over down is 30 times index and 20 times index. Vertical step is 15, horizontal step size is 10, all the same except for size, where size changes to 20. And under the else, this is the same thing except if is happy is false, meaning giving the roundhead to be mad and sad. So these two are all both the same, besides the true and false, and the size is set to 20. So if I run my file here, happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad, all 12 of them are even, 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 odd, 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 in size 20. Now, two other if statements here are if index equals 0, meaning the very first roundhead, everything in the array is the same as up here. That goes for all of them. Besides, hat color is now set to green. We still have size 20, but everything here changes that the hat color goes from red to green. And if index equals 18, meaning the very last roundhead, hat color is green and size 20. So if I run my file, hat color is green and hat color is green. Okay, so if index is smaller than 12, else, meaning if index is bigger than 12, I have my evens. If index divided by 2 equals 0 index, I have the exact same array as used in everything else, but set size 30. So the first 12 are set to 20, and the rest are set to size 30. So if I run file here, the first 12 are size 20, and the last 7 are size 30. Meaning it's the exact same thing as the code written up here, except for now all of them are size 30. We still have the same else, meaning if it's false, making the roundhead mad and happy and mad. True, it's happy. False, it's mad. If index equals 0 and if index equals 18, we set the color green to the hat size, meaning the first and last hat are green and size 30. And that's it for the if statement. Pretty much the same as we've been doing all year, except for it's in one giant one. And that's the end of the loop. But to have all this stuff drawn on the screen, we need our for statement down here. For integer x equals 0, x is smaller than array.length and x plus plus. So we have the same loop in the paint code. And then we do our array sRA x dot draw G. We do the same in the movement. We do the same in the change object's mood. And this is what allows the buttons to work. And that's my lab 8. Thank you.